Are you tired of watching your hard-earned cash lose value every day? Inflation is eating away at your savings, and trust me, you're not alone. But here's the thing. What if I told you that there are ways to beat inflation in 2025? While everyone else is panicking, some people are making money off this very problem. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to invest your money in 2025 and stop inflation from ruining your wealth. Stick around, hit that like button to help beat the algorithm, and let's dive in. First up, real estate. The market is nuts, but here's the secret. It's not about owning property outright. Think rental properties. Even just one extra unit can bring in some serious cash flow each month. As inflation rises, so do rents. You're essentially hedging against inflation while building equity at the same time. Or, how about Airbnb? Got a spare room? List it. People are always looking for unique places to stay, and you can charge a premium. The bottom line is, real estate values tend to rise over time, and if you can turn a property into a source of income, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. No matter what the inflation rate looks like, real estate can be a solid investment. Next up, stocks. But not just any stocks, we're talking about dividend-paying stocks. The stock market can be volatile, but dividends are like the calm in the storm. Dividends are like money that magically appears in your account regularly, even when the market is down. So, while inflation is eating away at everyone else's cash, you're getting a nice, steady stream of income. We're talking about companies with a long history of paying dividends, the reliable ones. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, companies that have been around forever, and are probably going to be around for another 100 years. So yeah, while everyone else is freaking out about inflation, you can sit back, relax, and literally get paid to just hold your stocks. Chapter 3. Crypto high risk, high reward in the face of inflation. Let's talk about something a little more exciting. Cryptocurrencies. This is the future of money, people. And with inflation on the rise, digital currencies like Bitcoin are often seen as a hedge against traditional currency devaluation. Think about it. Governments are printing money like it's going out of style, which of course devalues your hard-earned dollars. But with Bitcoin, there's a limited supply. It's like digital gold. And as more people jump on board, the demand goes up, and potentially so does the price. But, a word of caution. Cryptos are volatile. And I mean seriously volatile. They can go up 10% one day and down 20% the next. It's a roller coaster ride, not for the faint of heart. So, do your research, understand what you're investing in, and only invest what you can afford to lose. This isn't your rent money, it's not your emergency fund. This is money you're okay with potentially going up in smoke, but also potentially making you some serious returns. Cryptos can be a high-risk, high-reward investment. Chapter 4. Precious metals. The ancient secret to protecting your wealth. Finally, let's go old school. I'm talking about gold, silver, platinum. These precious metals have been used for thousands of years to protect wealth. In 2025, they still hold up as one of the safest bets against inflation. Why? Because like Bitcoin, there's a limited supply. You can't just print more gold, it has to be mined. And when the economy is uncertain, people get nervous, and they turn to tangible assets, things they can hold in their hands, like gold and silver. Now, I'm not saying you should go all in on gold bars and bury them in your backyard. You can easily invest in precious metals through ETFs, mutual funds, even just buying a few coins to get started. If you're looking for stability, a way to preserve your capital when the market takes a dive, a bit of gold or silver might be the way to go. They don't just look pretty, they can keep your money safe when everything else is going crazy. Outro. Take control of your financial future. So, there you have it. While inflation tries to steal your wealth, these strategies are your shield. Real estate, dividend stocks, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals all have the power to fight inflation and build your wealth in 2025. Remember, the key is to do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and invest for the long haul. Ready to take control of your finances? Hit that subscribe button and join the online goldmine community. We're all about making smart financial decisions and building a brighter financial future. Let's make 2025 the year you stop worrying about inflation and start making your money work for you. See you in the next video.